All these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream 11 rules and regulations. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. So in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams using our beautiful team generator software. So in this video we are going to generate the Grand League teams for the today's match between Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Kolkata Knight Riders, which is going to be held at around 4 p.m. and so what we are going to do in this video is that we first of all we need to analyze the data that we have, and based on the data we will we will point to some specific points, and those specific data will help us to generate the Grand League winning teams by using our software. So let's analyze the data that we have. So probable playing 11 will be for the today's match between RCB versus KKR will be from the RCB side Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Shadab Ahmed, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers, Washington Sundar, Daniel Christian, Kyle Jamieson, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Siraj and Yuzvendra Chahal from RCB side. And from the KKR side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Ian Morgan, Andrew Russell, Dinesh Karthik, Shakib Al Hasan, Pat Cummins, Harbhajan Singh, Prasidh Krishna and Varun Chakravarti will be the probable playing 11 from both the sides. So let's analyze the top players from both the teams. So from the RCB side, Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers and Kyle Jamieson are the top players, so according to the fantasy. So as well as from the KKR side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Ian Morgan, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins are the top players from the KKR side. So in point of view of our software, let's analyze the captain potential players, that means the players that we can consider as a captain players in our fantasy team. So those players from RCB side will be Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell and AB de Villiers, and from the KKR side Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill and Andrew Russell can be considered as a captain potential players. As well as the captain players, let's analyze the vice captain players as well. So from the RCB side, Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Glenn Maxwell, AB de Villiers and Kyle Jamieson can be considered as a vice captain players. As well as from the KKR side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Ian Morgan, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins can be considered as a KKR vice captain player potential players from KKR side. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. The pitch will be a balanced pitch, and that means it will support for both batting and bowling as well, and the average score will be 153 runs. So that means we can expect anything around 300 plus runs out of 40 overs. And so according to the in the point of view of our beautiful software, let's analyze some specific points that will help us to crack the Grand Leagues. So the specific points will be the credit range. The ideal credit range will be 99 to 100 for this match. The ideal total team credits for our fantasy team will be 99 to 100. As well as since RCB is little stronger than KKR, we can expect we can favor RCB in this match, so that we can select 7 players from RCB and 4 players from KKR, as well as 6 players from RCB and 5 players from KKR. And let's come to the team combinations that we have, and our software supports a lot of combinations, but in this for today's match we can go with these combinations. These three combinations are very ideal, and will have a higher chance of winning the Grand Leagues. So 1-4-2-4, 1-4-3-3 and 1-3-3-4. that means 1 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, 3 all-rounder and 4 bowlers. These are the 3 combinations that will have good impact on today's match. So by using all this data that we have analyzed, let's use our beautiful team generator software to generate the Grand League winning teams. So let's jump into our. So you can see this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software is an advanced team generator software which supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream 11, My Team 11, My 11 Circle and plenty of more. And this software uses a lot of algorithms and 17 different techniques in order to generate the accurate teams for you. And those who want the software and those who want to know the details of the software, I have already provided you my contact details. You can check it out. And so first of all let's click on cricket, since we are going to generate teams for cricket. And after that we need to click on generate teams. and I have made a lot of videos I have made a lot of videos to know how the software works and how to use the software completely, so you can check it out in our YouTube channel as well. So after that, you need to choose the fantasy applications that you are playing. So here Dream11 is what we are playing, and continue, and after that choose series, and here IPL is what we are saying playing. And after that, there are three sections here. The first two sections are for those who don't have much knowledge on cricket. That means they are beginners, they only know the playing 11. For those guys, these two are the sections for them. That means in these two sections, so you don't have to give anything, you just need to give the players that are playing in that match. Then software will take care of everything. That means captain, vice captain, and everything, total team credits and team combinations, everything will be taken care by the software. And for this is a third section that we are going to use today, advanced generation section. In this section we need to give some data, and the software will also help from its side, and which will eventually gives us even more better teams. So this is even more powerful section than these two. So let's go to this section, advanced generation section. And after that, we need to choose the teams in which the match is in between. Here RCB versus KKR. After that, continue, and we need to give match number, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, these teams are completely stored in your device. By the way, this software works completely fine in your mobile as well as in laptop also. And you can give any match number. Let me give 100. You can give any match number, no problem. And after that, you need to click on continue, and you need to select at least 6 players from each side. That means you can select 11 from each side, but at least 6 is important. So let me quickly select the players that I have given in the slides. So let me quickly select them. So these are the players from RCB side. Let me quickly select all the players that are part of today's match. And after that, from the KKR side, Ian Morgan, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill. Let me quickly select all these players. So 8, 10. Okay, another player. Where is that? Another player. Okay, Rahul Tripathi. So these are the all the players that I have given in the slides. So I have selected all of them. After that, you need to click on continue, and here it is asking us to select any fixed players. You can leave this section as well, there is no problem. That means what this section means is that whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be there in every generated team. That means you need to be very, very careful while selecting him, because if you think he will definitely play tomorrow, that player only you should select. Because here I am predicting Virat Kohli will play good innings today, that's why I am selecting him, as well as Pat Cummins is also I am also selecting Pat Cummins as well. After that, click on continue, and you need to select the players you want to consider as captain. I have already given you in the slides as well. You can select any players of your prediction. I feel Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers and Glenn Maxwell. And from the KKR side, Nitish Rana, Rahul Shubman Gill and Andrew Russell. After that, click on continue. And here it is asking us to select the players you want to consider for vice captain. Let me quickly select the players I feel they are potential to become vice captain. At the same time, from KKR side, let me quickly select the players. So after that, you need to click on continue, and here it is asking the team partition strategy. I have already given you in the slides as well the strategies. We are favoring RCB side, that's why we are going 7 players from RCB and 6 players from RCB. And after that, click on continue, and it is asking us the credit range, which is I have already given, which is 99 to 100. And after that, click on continue, and it is asking us to select the strategies. I have already given you in the slides as well. These are the 3 strategies. And after that, click on continue, and it is asking us to enter number of teams that you want to generate. Here you can generate anywhere between 1 to 3333, but 11 teams are absolutely completely enough to crack the grand leagues in our software. So let's give 11 as the number of teams, and click on generate teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very, very accurate teams. And I hope you guys like this video, and those who want the software, those who have interest on this software, you can contact me. I have already provided you the contact details in the description box below, and I hope you guys like this video, and thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard. Software.